Ever find yourself scrolling through social media and thinking about how these people seem to have it all together? Let's talk about how routines can bridge that gap. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am so happy that you stopped by. Hi, my name is Tarasha. I am all about keeping things real, whether that's talking about life, figuring out how to stay motivated, or just living my day-to-day life. I know life can be pretty chaotic sometimes, and that's why I like to make content that feels like a conversation between friends. No filters, no pretenses, just some real life talk about juggling work, home, life, and everything in between. And if you are into watching real life daily vlogs, then you are in the right place. I share everything from my routines, exploring the city, and cozy at home vlogs. So if that sounds like your vibe, I'd love for you to stick around. I will link a few of my playlists below, so if you have time, do check them out. And today we're gonna talk about something that I feel like every person struggles with: routines. I know it sounds super boring, but trust me, it's not. In fact, routines are like those little superheroes that help you stay on track and actually get things done, even on days when you don't feel like it. So stick with me because we are gonna talk about why routines might just be the secret sauce to your success. So, why routines? Imagine this: your alarm goes off, and instead of waking up stressed, you feel prepared. Weird, right? But hear me out. When you have a routine, your brain knows what's coming next. In a way, you're basically telling your brain, hey, we got this, we know what's coming next. And this way, you're not scrambling and you do not have to figure out what to do next, which actually reduces stress. Now, I'm not telling you to be this super organized person who has every second of their day planned out. That's not realistic. But the little things that you do regularly, like making your bed in the morning, having a cup of tea before you sit down to work, create a sense of stability. It's like building a foundation for your day. I can tell you from experience that these little things, these little actions make a huge difference. For example, I used to wake up, straight away check my phone and dive into work. No time for myself, nothing. It felt like I was always in a rush. But once I introduced a morning routine, a set of actions that I did again and again every day consistently, like having just 5 minutes of quiet time, making my bed, having a cup of black tea or coffee, it set the tone for the rest of the day. Suddenly, I felt more in control and less scattered. And the best part, it didn't have to be anything fancy. Now I know some of you might be more of a night owl than a morning person, and that's okay. You do not have to be an early bird to make routine work for you. You might feel more awake and productive during your evenings, and your routine can be just as powerful at night. You can incorporate an evening routine to wind down. Just like mornings can set the tone of your day, evenings can set you up for a good night's sleep and a better tomorrow. So we all know motivation can be a hit or miss. Some days you wake up full of energy, ready to conquer the world, but the other days you are lucky if you can willingly get out of bed. And that's completely normal, right? Take me for example. There are days when I don't feel like doing anything, and trust me, no one is more familiar with the struggle of dragging yourself out of the funk than I am. But here's the thing about routines. You don't need motivation to get started. You just need to stick to your routine, to your little habits, to your little actions that you do every day, even when you don't feel like it. That's where the magic happens. For example, let's say it's Wednesday and you've had a pretty long week. You are exhausted, tired, and the thought of getting up and actually exercising is just too much. and you don't feel like doing it. It is the last thing that you want to do. But you know what? Because you have made it a part of your routine, you're gonna do it anyway. You know that it's just what you do. And even if you don't feel motivated, you do it anyway. And you know what? Half the time, once you start, it actually feels better than you thought. Now, time management. This is something I have struggled with. I used to feel like my days just slipped away. I'd be working and then suddenly it's evening and I have no idea where the time went. That's where routines can make a big difference. Time management isn't about cramming n number of tasks in a day. It is about intentionally deciding what to prioritize. And that's what routines help you with. Giving a structure to your day in a way that makes sure that the important stuff does not get buried under everything else. For me, I use something which is known as time blocking. It is basically scheduling blocks of time for different activities. It sounds super basic, but it works. I follow this method where I work in 45-minute chunks of focused time followed by a 15-minute break. This is really key because those 45 minutes are my deep focus time. I get into a flow state and I'm laser focused on one thing, whether that's creating content, working on an Excel task, or checking off my to-do list. And then this is the magic part. I take a 15-minute break. I step away from the desk, grab a snack or a cup of tea, stretch, maybe scroll on Instagram for a few minutes. It's like hitting a reset button for my brain. Now I know what you're thinking. Just 45 minutes of focus time. It doesn't sound like a lot, right? But here's the thing. When I am working for those 45 minutes, I am not distracted by anything like my phone. I'm not scrolling through Instagram, checking my messages or my WhatsApp. I am not multitasking. I am in the zone. And hey, if 45 minutes are too less for you, you can increase that time or maybe decrease the time of your breaks. But personally, this feels super productive and prevents me from burning out because after those 45 minutes, I already have a built-in 15-minute break to recharge my brain. It really does help me keep fresh throughout the day. And honestly, this method has been a game changer in preventing burnout or even avoiding overwhelm. It helps to keep my day structured and I feel like I actually make progress without burning myself out by the end of the day. By setting time aside for each task or different activities, I am less likely to get distracted and more likely to actually finish things. And trust me, it makes a huge difference when you're juggling work, life, and home. Now here's the cool thing about routines. They don't just improve one area of your life, they spill over into everything else. So when I stick to my morning routine, I'm not just starting my day on a positive note, it actually makes the whole day smoother. Like I noticed when I wake up and take 5 minutes to make my bed and do something calming, whether it's reading or having a quiet moment to myself with my coffee, my day tends to unfold in a more productive and less stressful way. It's like a domino effect. The better I start, the better my rest of the day goes. I know it sounds small, but those moments of calm and structure help me feel grounded in the chaos of everyday life. Okay, now let's get down to the real talk. How to actually stick to your routine. Because let's be honest, we all start with the best intentions, but sometimes it does not last. So first things first, start with one thing. Don't try to overhaul your entire day all at once. Pick one small thing that you can realistically do every day, again and again. It could be as simple as drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning or making your bed. The key is to start small and then build from there. Second, be flexible because life happens. Some days you might miss a workout or get off track. That's okay. What matters is that the next day you get back to it. Don't be hard on yourself, just keep going. Lastly, don't forget to reflect. Take a moment every week to check in with yourself. What's working, what's not. I I promise just the act of writing it down or even thinking about it can help you stay on track. And remember, routines aren't about perfection, they're all about progress. So yeah, routines can totally change your life. They're not about being perfect, but about building a foundation that helps you stay grounded. Even on tough days, routines are there to keep you going. Start small, be flexible, and watch how they can make your life a lot easier and a lot less chaotic. Thank you so much for hearing me out. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.